And they say the base na truthful juju. If na me if I come for you, I go come for me. Them say, because it cause say no level. I don't see my mother voice now say me still go tell you soon. Maybe we still go back and come they go play band for your head. They don't play band for your head. Don't play band for your head. Your head. Some of those sang they all they keep blood though. All they put blood for them. They forbid. All they keep blood for them. If you don't know, but you do. All they keep blood. We keep blood for them. All they keep blood. They don't keep blood. When we do things clean. May go spoil that now. Velo say it based on that resist. May go spoil now. You know say it based on that resist. They know they carry on that person. Baby tell they talk. You shall see. Till then, Enogie. You will cry. You go bite your hand and you will cry that you know. The time you will come and cry, then it will be too late. I'll still call you double tap with any of my bank account. Don't worry. I'll double tap for you my fake account. You go find number, send me first note. You are scared. You are scared. I'm not you that will come on TikTok and be. I told you in Nigeria, my mother will do her own. But you see here, it is now those that donation the kind 50-year-old lawyer. Never. On the kind government lawyer. We will see. For the voice notes, Debbie they say na truthful. You go do this one. Tell your mama say I say no level.
It's too hot.
Daddy, I don't want you to enter my video, please, my love. No, oh yeah, take another one. Take my own. It's not too. Can I bite from it? Can I bite? Thank you. Love you.
Okay, love you too.
Love you too, Papa. You know, training your child in a toxic environment. I don't do that. I don't do that. I don't do that. I say, people, learn not to train your child in a toxic environment. Your children should be sweet. You know that, I hear that they go the bath for back. I want you. One day you go back for back. That way you go back for back. I know you now. Because I know level. I hear that to you. I don't know. Que no women rien c'est et no women you know bless et que no women rien c'est et que no a women mi et no women yo e va ni ajo et que no women rien c'est et no women mi va moire aso no que faire. Okay, fine. I will eat my vitamin guy in over tea. Talk about where you Wamyo, you're sick. So they put your name. Yes, of course, Jenny. If you see where the table your butter put. They make up Bible so now my bogbe. Sorry. Na leru na agboma me ama wona wa my bogbe. Na wa leru na agboma me ama wona wa my bogbe. Yes, I grew up in Benin. Mama. Mama, I beat you, you're welcome. Mama, woman, our brother, I will deal with you. How I deal with you, my brother? You be offend. You will go dey speak English online for TikTok. I'll call you. Hey, pa, that English way you speak, not correct. To see how you TikTok. You got the tell me last say me that this. You are the call. If I go clean your nose, if I clean your mouth, ew. You got the who they talk now. Now I want to say something. Women una dey marry oh. Una dey marry. A man that respects his home gets small toto publicly. Your family, where they are. Ew. Women una dey marry. Una do, una mingle, una keide. Una dey marry. A man describing another woman's pussy that he has not seen. Toto, toto. Toto, toto. Toto, toto. Toto. Marriage mingle, my brother, be my sister. Now, though. I like the fact that you did lie. Oh, wow, fake boy. Where's my husband, Torino? The husband did now. You need them. You need the number. You need the number. Listen, what are you doing now? I dey tell you, Mama Dan Grace. As a man, you dey describe that woman toto, small toto. As you see here, you know, who won't get big toto before? Who come here? Mona not let me talk. What did the woman they use big toto they do? I tell you what, now you go they think your life. I pray Mona continue to get small toto. Mona use the toto to 150. If you look here, you go not see your face, you go not see get small toto. Who they pray for big toto? We don't know. For me now, I'm not pray for big toto. I all do go by small toto is life, of course. Mona write small toto is life for conversation. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Go for big toto. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Big toto is waste. Small toto is life. Mona, you put on conversation. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Yes, so. Why woman go say when a big toto will get? Excuse me. How do you enjoy love making? Yes, so small toto is life. God go bless you now. Yes, so small toto is life. A big toto. Which one big toto do? Big toto is waste. Thank you, Lisa. Big toto is waste. Oh, be this one. I don't want to play a game. Of course now. Small toto na yes now. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Oh, be this one. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Big toto, electric board they enter. What are they give up there to? Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Small toto is life. Eh? Small toto is life. 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 I haven't started with you, bro. I haven't started with you. I haven't started. Like, the length I want we both to go, You will regret why you bullied me on this video. the lengths I will drag you to. Nigeria will drag you. Abroad, I will drag you. Yeah. Yep. 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 Mm. I will so much drag you. I will drag you. I will drag you. I will drag you. But I mean, this Enogie. Who did you? Who did that? It shocked me. I don't understand this one. But I mean, just Enogie. What bear matter? No. You are playing with fire. Okay, bring it on. 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 But I mean, just Enogie. What bear matter? No. Yes, David, I already blocked him. Yes, Nelly, yes. Yes, ya sami radiowa, ya tejo ya kere o laigi o wa o. Be I know the works in September, the work I just dey ask. I dey collect single mother benefit. I get how they collect. Look me, look you, they collect. Talk truth. Look me, look you, they collect. Look me, look you, they collect. Atika. Look me, look you. We are going to be doing it slow and steady. No worry in life. Oh. Your rest, your Joe. No worry in life. To help not good. Oh. See, anybody you have helped in your life that feel like they want to raise their tongue of judgment against you, of lies against you, heaven will speak for you on your behalf. Heaven will speak for you on your behalf. Heaven, anybody you have helped, whether with your time, your money, whatever way you have helped, and they are raising tongue of judgment against you, heaven will speak for you on your behalf. As I did so, if you like wanting to do person, I can never help. Never. I can never help anybody in this life again. Never. Punto basta. Stop. Finish. Never. Neikaba. I can never help. Never. Never. What you not help me for? Neikaba. What you not help me for? See, majority of people who I know for Enogie, and people don't know me before, but they don't know me for me that say I did it all. He never helped me. I don't owe him nothing. I beg, on a me blog that favor meet. Me blog can be any moderator with them. He dey explain yesterday now so my $70. Oh no, not that $70 they come back. No, so people are born to be chronic liars. So people they just born the end to be chronic liar. When that they come me see flight tickets, they say I not the support again because she's not serious. He now called me to tell Bros Musa to tell that person to send the girl $70 that I shouldn't worry, will tell me that I will pay. I said okay. I called Bros Musa make he tell the bomb me pay. I called her if I don't tell her me send now. Till today not send me the money. I dash you and help me, not be the same thing. If not be say they lie, why me not got to say the first $50 when I send? Call give me. You are poor. You are a poor man. Oh, Miss Ria, thank you, my love. Don't worry, Douglas, that one join. Join, sir. You are a poor man. You are a poor man, very poor. I said, I didn't appreciate because I'm saying, yeah, I be that shoot. Oh, thank you, Miss Ria, thank you, my love. Yeah, oh, I be that shoot 5 euro, I know that shoot again, no. Even if I don't get a borrow, I will give you. Because I dash you and I know that's not the same. What do you want?
Something?
Well, can you go to the room and not come back? Please. Go and enjoy yourself in your room. Okay? Thank you, Papa. Dammi 5 now, go.